Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers and I'm going to be showing you guys all of the skins that I have, skins slash characters you use. I only have a few skateboards, but I'm going to show you every single one. As you could see, oh my god, advertisements everywhere. Alright, I'll show you from the start. I have Fresh, it's very common. Tricky, Jake, Dino, which is also very common. This is a very rare skin. It only appeared once when it was Halloween. Scarlet, Jasmine, what is his name? Jaro, Frank. I personally like him better with the bunny. Mask, Frizzy, Lucy. Very cheap skin, Tagbot, Ninja. I think the flame looks the best. Tasha, and a very expensive skin for 170,000 coins, Zoe. So I will be using the Zoe skin. Let's see it in game. Let's go. Just let me remind you, I am not really a good player at this game, so don't be mean if I don't play nice. But I'll practice. The strategy to this game is stay on train tops and seek for coins. That is what I always do. Comment below which is your favorite skin in Subway Surfers. Personally, I like the King, but it's very expensive, so maybe I can't unlock it, but I'll try. This is a skateboard that I have, the only skateboard that I have. Comment below if you want me to play Fortnite. I'm a pro player at Fortnite or any other game you want me to play. I've already played Turbo Dismount. If you want me to play it again, comment below, I'll play again. Let's get this video to maybe around 20 likes. I don't know. Alright. Oh, I told you. So that was the skin. I just wanted to show you my favorite skin in the game. So, alright, maybe I'll see you next time in my video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe to the channel.